Imagine losing a limb and watching it grow back. Sounds like science fiction, right? But in the animal kingdom, this isn't just possible, it's survival. Today, we're uncovering 5 incredible animals with jaw-dropping regeneration abilities, including one that can regrow its brain. Get ready to be amazed by nature's ultimate superpower. Regeneration is one of the most fascinating abilities in nature. For some animals, it's not just a cool trick, it's a matter of life and death. From tiny sea creatures to reptiles, this incredible power allows them to rebuild lost body parts with precision. But how do they do it? What makes them so unique? And could humans ever unlock this power? Stick around to find out as we dive into the lives of 5 animals that redefine what's possible. Number 5. The starfish's secret. Let's start with the starfish, an animal so good at regeneration it's almost unbelievable. Starfish, also known as sea stars, can regrow lost arms, and in some cases, even their entire body from just one severed limb. This isn't just a party trick, it's a survival mechanism. Starfish can deliberately drop their arms to escape predators, a process known as autotomy. But how does it work? Starfish don't have brains or centralized nervous systems like humans. Instead, they rely on a nerve ring in the center of their body to coordinate movement and regeneration. When an arm is lost, specialized cells kick into action. These cells, known as undifferentiated cells, migrate to the wound site and transform into the tissues needed to rebuild the missing arm. Here's an amazing fact. The regeneration process can take several months, but it's so effective that the new arm is nearly indistinguishable from the original. Number 4. Lizards and their life-saving tails. Lizards are regeneration experts, particularly when it comes to their tails. When threatened, many lizard species will sacrifice their tail to distract predators, a move that can mean the difference between life and death. But losing a tail isn't the end of the story. Over the course of weeks or months, lizards can regrow their tails, thanks to specialized stem cells near the site of the break. These cells work tirelessly to rebuild the cartilage, muscle, and skin needed for a fully functional tail. However, there's a catch. The new tail isn't quite the same. It's often shorter, less colorful, and lacks the original vertebrae, which are replaced by cartilage. Despite this, the ability to regenerate gives lizards a significant edge in the wild. Fun fact, the regenerated tail may even grow back stronger, giving the lizard an added layer of protection. Number 3. Crabs and their claws. Crabs are natural-born fighters and their claws are their ultimate weapons. But what happens when a crab loses a claw in battle? Unlike most animals, crabs don't see this as a permanent loss. Over time, they can regrow their claws through a process tied to molting. Molting is when crabs shed their old exoskeleton to grow a new, larger one. During this process, a small nub begins to form where the lost claw used to be. With each subsequent molt, the claw grows larger and stronger, eventually returning to its original size. Did you know that some crabs can lose and regrow multiple claws over their lifetime? It's nature's way of ensuring these crustaceans stay at the top of their game. Number 2. Let's talk about the sea cucumber, the ultimate escape artists. Sea cucumbers, one of the ocean's most bizarre regenerators. When threatened, sea cucumbers perform a shocking defense mechanism. They eject their internal organs to scare off predators. It might sound extreme, but it works. Here's the incredible part. Within weeks, the sea cucumber regenerates all the lost organs, including its intestines, respiratory system, and even parts of its circulatory system. This extraordinary ability is powered by specialized cells that can rapidly divide and replace the missing tissues. Fun fact, scientists are studying sea cucumbers to understand how their regeneration could inspire new treatments for organ damage in humans. Number 1. Finally, axolotls, the kings of regeneration. If there's a gold medal for regeneration, the axolotl takes the prize. These fascinating amphibians can regrow not just limbs and tails, but also their spinal cord, heart, and even parts of their brain. Axolotls achieve this through an incredible process involving blastoma, a mass of cells that forms at the site of an injury. These cells are similar to human stem cells, but far more versatile. They can transform into any type of tissue, allowing the axolotl to regenerate perfectly without any scarring. What's even more remarkable is that scientists believe axolotls may hold the key to unlocking regeneration in humans. By studying their DNA and cellular processes, researchers hope to one day replicate this ability in medical science. Imagine being able to regrow a lost limb, thanks to the adorable axolotl. So what's the science behind regeneration? At its core, it all comes down to stem cells. Tiny, versatile building blocks capable of transforming into any type of cell. Animals like axolotls and starfish have perfected this process, guiding these cells to create new tissue, nerves, and even bones. By studying these animals, researchers are uncovering the secrets of regeneration, paving the way for breakthroughs in medicine. From healing wounds faster to regrowing organs, the future of regenerative science could change everything we know about healing. These animals show us what's possible when nature pushes the boundaries of survival. Which of these regenerating creatures amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible stories from the animal kingdom. Until next time, stay curious.